everybody, and again, welcome back to the Fluffy Unicorn. And today, I have a very special guest with me. His name is Noah. He's my cousin, and last night he had a sleepover with me, which was lots of fun. And if you guys couldn't see, we've got this baby bunny here. Oh! Its name is Carrot. I caught it at Phillip Island. And that was a lot of fun. And now I get to keep it as a pet. Look at Carrots. Good Carrots. Who's a good girl? Alright, so that's Carrots. And today we're going to be making this heat-activated slime. Oh, Carrots. So this one goes to black to pink. And when it's cold, it goes to black. And when it's warm, it goes to pink. So that's going to be a lot of fun. And we've got our glitter, our lovely pink sparkles, and our lovely, heavy clear glue. And this is our borax for adult supervision. So we'll just have that. And here's our bowl and our mixing spoon. Oh, some glitter. Look, guys. There's a bit of glitter in the borax. So some of this kind of glitter. Okay, so Noah, do you want to put the clear glue in?
Sure.
Okay, now, if Noah isn't speaking very good, it's because it's his first time on a YouTube channel. So, alright. So I'll tell you when. Yep. We're going to make a big batch. Okay, stop. Drizzle. Okay. Heavy?
It's very heavy.
Oh.
Hey guys!
Should we put Fluffy on the ground?
Yeah. Oh, you guys. Look how big this batch is. It's ginormous. Oh. Okay, now can you hold the spoon for me?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna pour. I'm just gonna shake a bit in. Okay, now I want it to be very strong, so I'm gonna put that. Oh, I think that's a little too much. Oh, we are making a big batch, so it doesn't really matter.
I know.
Alright, now do you want to stir that in? What's in there? Oh, the sparkles. Dad, look at the sparkles. See, there was two sparkles and one of them like faded into pink. Oh, it's so black.
Soon it's going to be a proper slime.
Now, no, if you didn't know, on our videos we have to stir with our whole body.
I may have watched your videos and I don't usually stir with my entire body.
Well, you have to. It's the Fluffy Unicorn video.
I'm not going to.
Stir with your whole body.
Serious? Oh, I really don't.
Come on.
You can stir then.
Why don't you do the turbo stir?
Or do you want me to?
Let's put the glitter in.
Oh, yeah, the glitter. Okay, hold a spoon for me.
Put lots of glitter in.
Maybe you could tell the audience a joke, Hailey. One of your jokes.
Oh, I've got that.
Oh, yeah, when are most frogs born? In a leap year.
What's your joke, Noah?
It's a bit of a long one, but a Spanish magician told everyone that for his first trick he was going to disappear.
Oh,
He
glitter,
said,
glitter,
uno,
glitter.
dos, and disappeared without a trace.
I like it.
Oh,
Oh,
Bit of glitter.
look at this. That's
stir
insane.
that. Oh, it looks like glittery tar. I love that. It's like a galaxy, sort of.
It looks a bit like a Milky Way or something.
Wow, that's
Oh,
really
yeah.
weird. It's so weird.
It's so sparkly and shiny.
And soon you won't be able to see it when we heat it up.
Oh yeah, because it turns. Oh yeah, guys, this turns like really, really bright pink. It's like
you
so
won't be
bright.
able to see the sparkles when we heat it up.
No, they might be. We'll just have to hold it up close.
Okay. And now time
Borax?
for borax.
Okay. Since it's a big batch, we'll do this much first. Oh, it turned grey a bit. Oh, look at that. That's getting goopy. Goopy. Oh, yeah, I think you need way more. Okay. Oh, a spoon. Oh, this is hard.
Oh, I can't wait to hold that.
Guys, this is the whole thing. Look at it. It's dripping. Now it won't even come off the spoon.
I have a feeling it needs to be a bit more activated.
Ah. Oh my gosh. This is insane, guys. No, here.
That's it.
Thank you.
Just take it.
That's it. Cool. That's it.
Oh,
Goopy.
ew.
Ew, ew.
This is the part that I don't like about slime, that it's so like watery and slimy.
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Oh yeah, we could. And if you guys have any ideas, leave them down in the comments below.
Hey guys, how's it looking?
Good, Fluff Butt.
You know what that looks like? A big pink cupcake. Give me some of that cupcake. Hey!
I'm giving you it. Oh!
Stinky cupcake stuck to my nose. Damn you kids.
Oh, how dare you?
Oh, ouch! Hey, you're supposed to be my friend. You're supposed to cuddle me. Oh, that's nice. Tickle me. Hey, let go.
I just got some slime out of your chin.
That was a booger. A fluffy unicorn booger. Ooh, I got a bit of a pain in my tummy.
Oh no. No. Thank goodness I can't smell it because I have a blocked
What does
nose.
that smell like?
It smells like ice cream.
Rainbow lollipop ice cream.
That's weird.
Goodbye.
All right, looks like it's nearly done,
Bye.
guys.
Oh, it's black on his nose.
No.
Ah!
I tried to get.
Guys, as we said, we're gonna do some experiments. So we've got this ice here, and we're gonna put the
Show us
slime.
your slime first.
So this is our slime.
Cool. It's a bit overactivated, but it's still cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, still really.
All right, ready, guys?
Too much
One,
activated could cause it to be a bit like. cement.
2, 3. You guys, it's turning black.
Let's put it underneath.
Yeah, put it
Oh,
underneath
yeah,
it.
let's put it underneath. Oh, I love it. I'm gonna put an ice block in, like, hide it in there. Let's see if I
Me
can
too.
do that. Oh, this is hard.
I'm gonna open it
Look
up.
at it now.
Put a nice block in it.
Oh my gosh, I actually did it. It's
Out of them?
yeah.
Okay, so
Mine's
put 'em-
empty.
put them down here on the table.
Let's move my bowl. A slippery slug. I got a slippery slug.
Just put it down, Hailey.
Slippery
Okay, you ready?
slug.
Try this heat gun.
Ooh, I like the cold.
When you get real hot.
It's gonna turn warm. Oh, you guys, it's turning warm.
Go pink.
Dad, try your heat gun with the ice after. Oh, extra super fast.
Just to speed things up a bit. Whoa, guys, can you see that? It's going so
Are you gonna do mine?
pink.
Mine's frozen.
Okay, watch out. I'll get you guys move out of the way.
Frozen. And guys, these are so that one over there is Noah's brother, and that one right there is my brother.
He was in.
Watch out, now it'll be really hot, so don't touch it.
Oh, okay. Can I put ice on it so it'll melt?
That's right, don't touch it, it'll be really hot. That is cool, they've gone like,
Can I put ice on it
just let it cool down.
so it'll cool
This
down?
will cool us down.
Alright, that's not working. Oh yeah.
Can you
I
stop
can
singing
eat this whole thing.
Can you stop singing Jingle Bells?
Oh wait, yeah, it's got slime on it.
You got.
Show us your dance, boys. Do us your best dancing.
Isaac, take the tissue out of your nose.
Seriously, you do know, guys, you're on YouTube now.
Tortona.
Ow! The reindeer's shaking his booty at us.
Oh, that's the best.
Guys, you're on YouTube now. So
Oh, look.
So yeah. Alright, you guys, we're gonna get our slimes out. And Dad said we should have a race to see who can get there. There's the pinkest first. Oh no, mine got attached to an icy pole, guys. Now
ready?
How black is
hang
it?
on.
Oh, that's super black.
Mine's
Super
so
black and you
black.
can see the
Alright,
pink.
ready, set, go.
Oh yes. No.
Yo, no, it's getting warm.
Oh, mine has an ice block in it.
Okay, you ready?
Hang on.
Doesn't bounce to the
One
roof.
second, 1 second.
I think there's gonna be some.
Right.
Okay, now you
Ready?
go first.
Oh.
Do it again.
Oh.
Good. Hailey's turn. Oh, no.
Did I lose?
You lost. It's funny.
Yeah. I know why. I know why.
Mum's gonna be mad.
Enough time to heat it up. The reason mine didn't actually bounce properly is because it wasn't as hot. So the heat will help it bounce. So Hailey's is freezing cold, so that's why she only got a small amount high, and that's why it broke like an ice block.
Alright, yeah, enough
Mine
math,
didn't
dude.
exactly break, but
Enough science.
it didn't. Yeah.
Enough science.
All right, guys, you want to say
It's the
goodbye,
weekend.
everyone?
Bye, everybody.
I hope you like your new
Salam.
bouncy.
Mine's not so bouncy. Oh, that actually
Bouncy
went.
now.
Alright,
Color change inside.
and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Bye.
Bye. I might see you sometime soon.